Hey everyone, this is Taylor with ValleyScape. I'm here in La Quinta today. We're doing a cool little job for a property where the lighting system was an absolute disaster. Let me show you a couple things that were going on. You know, I'm in La Quinta because I had to bring a Starlink, so I had some service because I have zero service here. So he had an existing transformer, and I want to show you what was happening. So this is the new one, but he had a transformer. It was laying on the ground, and so anytime the lights would try to turn on in the landscaping, it would actually trip the breaker for the house because it was getting wet and so it was faulting out. So we're starting there. We're replacing that transformer. And then next up, he had a pretty good amount of lights for this property. We're going to replace the ones he has because they're pretty outdated and pretty rough. And then he had put in a bunch of solar lights to try to fill in the gaps, and it just looks like a mess. So let me show you here. So he just kind of stuck some cheap solar lights right next to the actual path light, solar lights. So it's just a big old mess, and he was ready to get this thing fixed properly. So that's what we're going to do. I'll show you the end result. We're basically going to mimic what's here, do some path lighting out the front here, and make it look the way it's supposed to. I asked him what was the most important thing here. He said the palm trees. That's why everybody, that's one of the hallmarks to the landscaping here is the palm trees. So we're going to light these up properly, use a little stronger bulbs to get up a little higher up into the canopy. But if you have solar lights and you're trying to compensate for the actual landscape lights that are not working, you can get them fixed. Sometimes it's not that big of a deal. Sometimes it can be just replacing bulbs or getting some wiring fixed. But in this situation, he has what's called integrated light fixtures. So they're starting to actually turn purple. Let me see if I can find one. Sorry for spinning you around. But right here, this one, this is an old path light. And these lights, when they start to go bad, they actually will turn purple. So if you start seeing that, the light fixture is failing. And with this type of light fixture, you actually have to replace the whole thing. So that's what we're doing today, and we should have it done. Today's a Friday, so we need to get it done and move on to the weekend. So check it out. I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so we just wrapped up this small lighting project in La Quinta. We're out here by the cove. There's we just replaced all the lighting on the side here, and I want to show you what it looks like because I think it turned out really really well. We didn't replace all the wiring because most of the wire was still in pretty good shape, but all the light fixtures were just trashed. And our client had so many solar lights trying to compensate for the lights that weren't working that it just was messy. It looked so just rough, too much stuff going on. So you can see we did path lights. There's one behind me too, but you see how we alternated sides. This is so much better to do than have them all on one side. It just makes it look cleaner and more inviting. I'm kind of extra proud of the light fixtures. I really like these ones because they're actually adjustable. So if you want to get more light out, you can adjust them back and it'll push more out. These are actually really good for driveways too. Or if you want more light straight down, you would rotate it down with this knuckle right here. They're just, they're nice lights. And I think it's really cool to have the adjustment ability. And then we just went through and replaced all the other light fixtures, the uplights on these palms, some of the bushes, rocks, so forth. So looks good, functions good. We put the right bulbs in. So for instance, on these big tall palm trees, we put in a 7-watt bulb, which is really strong, but it will get light all the way up to the palm fronds. So that's the way to do it. Over here, we did have to replace the transformer because, as I mentioned, it was on the ground before and it was just faulting out and then tripping the breaker in the house. So new transformer, 300 watts, has a sensor on it to come on at dark. And one thing to note too, we always put our stickers on our equipment because it has a warranty on it, and if you ever have issues with it, we want you to call us because we want to know if there is a problem with something, so we can get it fixed or we can not use that product again. So we always mark our stuff. I think it's the mark of a good tradesman when they mark their work, so they're proud of it and they did what they're supposed to do, and it's a good product. So anyways, thanks for joining us on this project in La Quinta. Looking forward to doing more. We're definitely doing more work in Palm Desert, Palm Springs, and some in La Quinta, but we're more than happy if you ever need help or guidance or just need repairs. We're there to help you with that too. So please reach out to us, and we'll be more than welcome or more than happy to come and help you with your landscape lighting and make your yard pop again.